So the clavipectoral fascia. See here, the fascia which is extending from the above clavicle. Below there is a subclavius muscle is there. The fascia investing layer of the neck region extends downwards and reach below the subclavius muscle, splits into two and again fuse together to form a single layer. That is clavipectoral fascia. Comes to reach the pectoralis minor muscle, then again splits to anterior lamina and posterior lamina. Then again itself forms a suspensory ligament of the axilla. Then it is reached to in the and merging with the axillary fascia. See here, this is a pectoralis major, pectoral fascia. Below pectoralis minor is there. So the fascia which is extending from the clavicle to the pectoralis minor muscle. That's why we are calling clavipectoralis fascia. In this fascia, some structures are piercing. See here, how the fascia is extends. Next, see this diagram. Three structures mainly. This is a cephalic vein piercing clavipectoral fascia. This is the pectorothoracoacromial artery. This is a lateral pectoral nerve. These are the three structures piercing this clavipectoral fascia. See here mainly there is one abbreviation clap. C means cephalic vein, L means lymphatics, A means acromiothoracic artery, P means pectoral nerve. These are the structures piercing into through the one is the vein from outside to inside, it is piercing, and the artery and the nerve from inside to outside and going to supplies to the pectoralis major muscles. This is a diagram of the pectoralis clavipectoral fascia. Good morning students. Today we discuss the clavipectoral fascia. What are the structures piercing through the clavipectoral fascia, from where to where it extends. In the dissection I can show the structures. Before going to that, I can show the insertion of the pectoralis major muscle, pectoralis minor muscle. See, already we discussed the previous videos. Pectoralis major muscle, it is going to insert at the lateral lip of the bicipital groove. See, I am lifting, I am showing to here. See, this is the bicipital groove. It is going to insertion at the lateral lip of the bicipital groove. This is lateral lip. See here, this is the long head of the biceps brachii. It is passing through the bicipital groove. This is a long head. This is a short head of the biceps brachii. Next, another muscle, pectoralis minor muscle. This is, it takes origin from the ribs. It is a triangular muscle. It is inserted here. This is, we can also feel here, coracoid process. It is a coracoid process. This is the coracoid process. So insertion at the coracoid process. Now here, above this, we have removed already clavipectoral fascia. The fascia which is extending from the clavicle to downwards and reach to the upper margin of this pectoralis minor muscle, it becomes splits like a anterior lamina and posterior lamina. We have removed that fascia, then we are identified the structure. See, this is a cephalic vein. Cephalic vein, it pierces the clavipectoral fascia and drains into the subclavian vein. This is a subclavian vein. This is the lateral pectoral nerve. Lateral pectoral nerve. This is the four branches. This is the thoracoacromial artery trunk. Thoracoacromial artery. It gives four branches. One is the pectoral branch. Next to deltoid branch, acromial branch, subclavian branch. These are the four branches from the thoracoacromial trunk. This is a lateral pectoral nerve. This is the lateral pectoral nerve. This is a cephalic vein. These are the three structures enter and exit through the clavipectoral fascia. This may ask in Viva, what are the structures passing through the clavipectoral fascia. Now I am lifting this pectoralis minor. See, just clear and clarify this trunk. This is the trunk of the thoracoacromial artery. This is the axillary artery, second part, axillary artery, axillary vein. This is the cords of the brachial plexus. This is the trunk of the thoracoacromial artery. Thank you.